I'm back on the ridge next to Segla. I need to be careful because down here is far way down, very far way down. Already had some fun with the drone. With the drone you get super epic shots from the sky. It almost looks better than the view from the ground. It does. I've already been here in a previous vlog. Let me put that in the box. In the previous vlog, but the weather wasn't that satisfying. But now the weather is amazing, pure amazement. Sunshine, no wind, very calm, and I don't see any clouds. Well, there's just a few. And this night also chance for aurora, which is also good. I don't know how long the night will be. It might be very short because the sun goes very low angle and then it goes straight up again. So maybe there won't be enough time for the aurora, but I hope so. Let's have a look around. So yeah, the sun is bright and the location is epic. I really love this place. You know you're on a good location when no one else is around and it just looks epic. It's very remote. It's very far up north. Not many people around, especially at this time of the year. But even in summer, it's not too busy. Really, it's not too busy up here, despite being an amazing photo location. One of the best probably in Norway. Okay, anyway, I have plenty time. It's probably still takes, I think it still takes 1.5 hours till the sun sets. I could check on my phone, but who cares? I have so much time. I can fly the drone once more. I have one more battery. You can actually also go on the Segla itself. But from up there, the view is not as remarkable as the view from the ridge on Segla, I think. But it's also really nice from up there. I mean, you shoot directly into the sunset. Either way, it's awesome. So you can also climb on there. But obviously it's a bit more work, especially in this condition right now with the snow. But I think it's possible. It should be much easier than Rheinebringen at least. Yeah, I think so. I didn't try though. Amazing. I wonder if I should put on the down pants. Probably gets very cold once the sun sets. I think flying the drone now would be smarter than putting on the pants. What is the time? 1 hour 20 till sunset. Let's do it. Oh shit. Alright. There we go, time for the drone. And now I think it's photo time. The sun is starting to cast some yellow light. That's the setup. As you can see, I'm not directly at the edge. There's still a bit of way, but yeah, it's an epic view. I mean, look at this. It's amazing. Calm scene now. No people, just me and the mountains, and a little bit of wind, just a little bit, but it's fine. Right, it's like 180 panorama, I think. Alright, I hope it focuses on my face. I found that the camera seems to have problems with my face. Now I have to wait until it's dark, which probably takes 2 hours, 2 more hours. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, it takes a long time. And I'm not even sure if it gets completely dark to the point where I can see stars. That will be the requirement to see the aurora. Maybe that even will be the last vlog in Norway. Oops. Now the rain starts. It gets warmer and rainy, and the rain will make everything muddy. This will be such a long wait. I need to keep myself busy somehow. I got the music in. What else can I do? The sky is nice. Surprisingly, I'm still on the ridge. For some reason, whenever I tried to pack up, I then decided to not go down. There was aurora. There was even a super aurora. It was crazy. It was 50% violet, 50% green, and it was dancing right above the Segla. It only lasted like a minute, of which 10 seconds above Segla maybe. Unfortunately, I had my camera just packed up, which was a mistake. That would have been epic. I really wanted to... Man, the music is annoying. Yeah, it was crazy aurora, super aurora. Would have been awesome to capture this with a video or with a photo. But there have been other nice auroras, which I took images of, only images. So yeah, the super aurora was just for me to enjoy. think that will be it for the vlog. If you liked it, you can hit the like button. If you didn't like it, you can hit the dislike button.